Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really special to show you, the GGMM Bluetooth speaker. If you're someone who loves music and values high-quality sound, this is the speaker for you. Let's start off with the fact that this speaker not only delivers amazing 10W stereo sound, but it also supports Alexa and Spotify. That's right, you can enjoy all your favorite music with just a voice command. How cool is that? With a built-in 2200 mAh lithium battery, you can take this speaker with you wherever you go and enjoy up to 15 hours of playtime. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the GGMM Bluetooth speaker has got you covered. One of the things that really sets this speaker apart is its dual wireless modes. You can connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and with the built-in mic, you can enjoy crystal clear sound and even take hands-free calls. And if you're someone who loves to have music playing throughout your home, the GGMM Bluetooth speaker is perfect for you. With the multi-room play feature, you can connect multiple speakers and play different songs in each room, or the same song throughout your home. Not only does this speaker sound amazing, but it also looks incredible. With a sleek and ergonomic design, this speaker is super portable and easy to carry around. It's even won the iF Product Design Award 2018 and the Reddit Design Award 2018. So if you're ready to take your music experience to the next level, then make sure to check out the GGMM Bluetooth speaker. You can find the link in the description below, and trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews and tech content.